He says, well, you'll bake little cakes for me, and I'll paint pretty pictures on the wall. In the morning, they caught us. They put him away. Wish we'd have went.
Maybe if I took this here pup and throw him away, George would never know.
They locked him up for a drunk. And a little while he died.
Then maybe I could tell the rabbits without no trouble.
What you think about nothing but rabbits? Somebody made a ringer.
We're gonna have a house and a garden and a place for alfalfa, and I get to take a sack and fill it full of alfalfa, and then I take it to the rabbits.
What makes you so nuts about rabbits?
I like to pet nice things. Well, one time at a fair, I seen long-haired rabbits. It was nice, you bet. I'd even pet mice, but not when I couldn't get nothing better.
I think you're nuts.
No, I ain't. George says I ain't. I like to pet nice things with my fingers, soft things.
Well, who don't? Everybody likes that. I like to feel silk and velvet. You like to feel velvet?
Oh, you bet, my God. And I had some too. A lady gave me some. And that lady was my Aunt Clara. She gave it right to me. This big a piece. I wish I had that velvet right now. I lost it. I ain't seen it in a long time.
You're nuts. But you're a kind of nice fella. Just like a big baby. A person can see kind of what you mean. When I'm doing my hair, sometimes I'll just sit there and stroke it because it's so soft. Some people got kind of coarse hair. You take Curley, his hair's just like wire. Mine, soft and fine. Here, feel. Right here. Feel there and see how soft it is. Don't you mess it up. Come on.
Gosh, that's nice.
Look out now, you'll mess it. Stop it now, you'll mess it all up. Ooh, let go! Let go!
Oh, don't do that. George's gonna. No, don't do none of that. George, please, don't do that. George's gonna say I did a bad thing. George's gonna say I did a bad thing. No. Don't, you're gonna get me in trouble, just like George said you will. No, don't you do that. Don't go yelling. I don't want to hurt you, but George's gonna be mad if you yell. I've done a bad thing. I've done another bad thing. Oh, I've done a real bad thing. I shouldn't have done that. And he said, hide in the brush till they come for me. That's what he said. Oh, you're gonna be mad. Throw him away. It's not